Only mode.
Hello everyone and welcome to the webinar. My name is Abbas Ravji and in today's webinar I'm going to be showing you how to rank and dominate Google using video quickly, easily and fully automated. So I'm going to be presenting this webinar with my partner David Edwards, also known as Goldie, and I'm going to allow a couple of minutes for everyone else who's actually trying to make it on call to come in. So while then, David wants to quickly say hi to everyone as well and give a quick introduction, and then we can get on with today's webinar. So David, if you can just, well, over to you, please.
Hi there everyone, this is David. You probably heard of me quite a bit. I live and breathe online marketing, and I'm here to make your experience with video marketing blitz or anything to do with Abbas's software as smooth and as productive as possible. So there you go, Abs. If you want to take it away again, you can. It was a very quick introduction. Let's get down to it.
Fantastic. Okay, brilliant. I'm gathering that you can all see my screen and we're all coming through nice and clearly. If you can just give me a yes in the chat box, please, just to let us know that you can hear us and you can see my screen as well. Fantastic. Yes, we got David, we got Bruce, we got Henrik, Tony, all saying yes. Okay, so I'm going to minimize this chat box, guys, and oops, I did the wrong one, and I'm going to get on with today's presentation. So what you will be learning in today's webinar, guys. So firstly, I'm going to be showing you how to dominate Google using video. I'm going to be showing you a system we have developed that allows you to automate the entire process from keyword research to ranking and getting traffic. David, if you can just do me a favor and put yourself on mute, please. Really sorry about that. That'd be brilliant.
I believe I'm on mute.
Oh, no.
I believe I'm on mute.
No, David, I can hear you.
Yeah, now you can. I was unmuted. Here you go again.
No, I can still hear you, mate. I can hear you breathing.
Really?
Yeah, I think you have to press the button on your mic to put yourself on mute.
Hang on 1 second.
Yeah, brilliant. I can't hear you now. Okay, everyone, can you just confirm that you can hear me and you can see my screen? It says what you will learn today. If you can just give me a yes in the chat box, please, and I'll get on. Fantastic. Okay. Right then, let me go on with today's webinar. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you a system that we've developed that allows you to automate the entire process from keyword research to ranking in Google and YouTube to getting traffic. And I just want to make one important note before we get started, and that is that this is not going to be a presentation packed full of slides, guys. I'm going to be showing you the entire process, all of the tools that we use, and I'm going to be demonstrating everything live and in front of you like I've never shown ever before on any other webinar. And finally, I'm going to be presenting an exclusive customer only end of year special offer. It's an offer that we've never made available before, guys, never ever. And we also have a free software for everyone, for all attendees, and I'm going to make full notes of this towards the end of the actual webinar. So do stick around, guys, and I promise you I'm going to try my best to be as quick as possible, as quick and as thorough as possible as I can. Okay, so let's get on with it, guys. So Google rankings, how to rank in Google without fail. So I'm going to be taking you through a process that we use personally to rank inside of Google time after time and without fail. So basically it's a process that we use that guarantees us rankings each and every time. The entire process that I'm going to be outlining and taking you through is automated, and I'll be explaining each step of the way while I take you through the actual tools. If you have any questions, guys, then please save them till the end. I promise to spend some time with you all to actually answer any questions as well. So there's actually 4 steps in total that I'm going to be taking you through, and for each step we'll be using a different piece of software that specializes in that particular step. Okay, so let's get going, guys. So I'm going to take you through step 1, guys. So if you can just confirm that you all follow along, and you can see my screen, it says step 1, identifying easy to rank for keywords. Just give me a yes in the chat box so I know everything's running smoothly, guys. Okay, brilliant. So we've got lots of yeses coming through. Fantastic, brilliant stuff. Okay, so I'm actually surprised we've got quite a few users on call. I know it's towards the end of the year. We're all busy. Our spirits are high as well, and we haven't got a lot of time. So I'm actually very glad that you've all come on, and I promised I'm going to try my best to be as thorough as possible, as quick as possible, and really try my best not to let you down. So anyway, identifying easy to rank for keywords. So we're going to be taking our seed keyword guides. So for this example, I'm going to be using something like plumbers. So let's say plumbers was our seed keyword. What we're going to be doing now is we're going to be getting long tail keywords for our main seed keywords. So we might have something like 24-hour plumber, emergency plumbers, out of hours plumbers, Sunday plumbers that work on Sundays, or you know, whatever. Or you're going to localize the actual seed keyword. So you might have something like plumbers Peterborough, plumbers Manchester, plumbers London, plumbers Newcastle, plumbers Glasgow, and whatnot too. What we're going to do then, guys, is we're going to create videos, and we're going to upload those videos to YouTube, optimized for those long tail or those localized keywords. And then we're going to track the rankings inside of Google and YouTube, and then we're going to find out which keywords rank inside of Google and YouTube, and then we're going to save those keywords to a file, and then we're going to delete all of the videos. And then we're left with a list of keywords that rank inside of Google without backlinks and super duper quick, guys. Okay, and this allows us to identify easy to rank for keywords, guys. And for this, we actually have a tool called the Video Keyword Prospector. So this is a tool that does step one, which I've just outlined to you. It allows you to filter and rank for thousands of keywords. You can upload videos, track rankings, add geo-local modifiers for your cities. You can work with multiple accounts, auto-optimize your videos, work with shortcodes so that you're optimizing every video that gets uploaded for that keyword. You can create videos, you can uniqueify videos, you can add prefixes and suffixes, work with spin syntax, and it also allows you to post to multiple accounts and groups. So it allows you to manage and differentiate groups so that you can keep them separated. So I'm going to show you around the Video Keyword Prospector now. I've already had it started before the webinar, guys, to save us time as well. So if I can just confirm that you can see the Video Keyword Prospector in front of me. I've got it open on my screen now. Just give me a yes please in the chat box, guys, just to know that you're all following along. Fantastic stuff. Okay, so this software here, guys, does step one. It doesn't identify the keywords, but it allows it identifies the keywords that are easy to rank. Okay, so let me show you exactly what it does. You can manage accounts with this, guys, and you can manage multiple groups, and inside of every group you can have multiple accounts. Okay, you can view reports, you can import, export accounts. It's super duper simple. I'm not going to take you through this, guys. Our tutorials take you through this. Okay, instead, what I've done is I've already started the process. And as you can see from here, guys, we've already uploaded 90 videos inside of Google. What I've done is I've taken one keyword, plumbers, okay, and I've added local modifiers to that keyword. So I'm going to actually show you what local modifiers I'm using. Just remember, guys, I've actually got this software working right at this precise moment. So I don't really want to go around and make any changes to the settings while it's actually uploading, but I'm going to try my best, you know, only to use them kind of areas that ain't going to affect the software. So I'm working with UK cities, so Aberystwyth, Aberdare, Aberfenny, whatever, guys, all these cities are in the UK. Okay, and I've told the software to work with plumbers. So the software is going to go ahead and create and upload videos for plumbers and then whatever city I've selected down here. On step 2, guys, I can actually tell the software to go ahead and create videos for me as well. But I actually had videos created, so I told the software to go ahead and upload my own videos. In step 3, I've told the software how many videos to upload. It also tells me how many modifiers, which means how many cities I've actually selected. I've told the software what category to upload it to. I've added some delays, and I've been able to select the category down here to upload as well. And as you can see, it's uploading. What happens at the same time is the software goes ahead and it tracks the rankings. So I'll actually show you this as well, guys. So I'm going to filter through this, and as you can see, we've already got 34 videos that are ranking inside of Google out of the 94 videos that we've uploaded. Okay, I'm going to actually minimize this screen, guys. So if you have any questions or anything like that, please save them. I promise to answer and come back to the questions chat box in a moment. I just want to explain this area here. So we've uploaded the videos now, and we're uploading the videos for the keyword plumbers and then the local city. And of course, guys, this could be any long tail keywords. You don't have to work with the local modifiers. Okay, and the software is now going ahead and tracking the rankings inside of Google based on some settings that we've actually added. And as you can see, it's already identified keywords that are ranking inside of Google. Okay, and we can go ahead and we can actually go ahead and check these. So I'll actually click on this one here, guys. guys, I just want to point out that my proxies are American based and I'm actually tracking UK, so there could be some discrepancies. So we've got some Google ads here, we've got Google Maps here as well, we've got Google ads towards the bottom as well. Okay, so we're not on page 1 and 2. We've got some Google ads towards the bottom there as well, guys. But we are on page 3, towards the top of page 3. This was 38 minutes ago, guys, and this was by a person called Carly Albitron. And if you actually have a look down here, guys, this is Carly. If I actually click on the next one, you can see here clearly. This is Carly Albitron. Okay, so the software has identified for us, out of all these keywords, guys, this was one of the keywords that was easy to rank for without any backlinks, super duper quick. And I'm actually going to show you this account as well, guys, just to show you that we don't work with any kind of authority with these accounts. So these are not brand new accounts, but these are accounts that have no followers, they don't have any video uploads hardly, they don't have any subscribers or anything like that, guys. In fact, we use these accounts specifically to identify those easy to rank for keywords. Okay, what we do then, guys, I'm going to go through this really quick because I don't want to, I've got some more tools and some more steps to go through as well. But let me just quickly show you what happens. The software goes ahead and tracks the rankings inside of Google. It tracks the rankings inside of YouTube. It also tells you how many competing sites there are inside of Google. So when we go inside of Google and we have a look down here, and this tells us got 24,800 competing sites inside of Google for this keyword, then the software also grabs this information for us. What it also does as well is, let me just download the keywords that ranked, and let me show you exactly what happens. Okay, I'm going to actually go down here and open this up. Oops. Okay, so let me just maximize this and let me just show you exactly what we've got down here, guys. This now tells us all the keywords that are ranking, that have been found to rank inside of Google and YouTube. Okay, we can actually go ahead and filter so that we only get keywords that rank inside of Google as well. Okay, it also tells us near each keyword how many competing sites there are inside of Google for this key term. But at the same time, it also tells us if there's any other videos ranking inside of Google for that keyword, and if there is, how many videos. So for example, this has got 1, and if so, what position. So this has got a video ranking inside of Google for this keyword, and we're also ranking as well, guys, and it's on position 15. And if you go down here, you can identify other videos that are ranking for these key terms, and on what position as well. Sometimes you come down and you have keywords where it has, like, I don't know, 4 videos that are ranking inside of Google for certain keywords. So anyway, guys, this is exactly what this software does. It allows you to go ahead and identify those easy to rank for keywords from a list of keywords. For example, in step 1, what I could do is add a bunch of keywords down here, multiple keywords, 500 different keywords, 24-hour plumbers in, I don't know, whatever the plumber keywords I want with long tail keywords. And in step 3, I could tell the software not to use local modifiers, but instead upload videos for those keywords. And you know what? We do this, guys, because I don't work locally all the time. I hardly ever work locally. And you actually see videos of me, targeting long tail keywords as well, and how we actually identify them. So we have a settings area in here as well, guys, that allows you to have all the kind of settings that you need to track Google, whatever location you want to work with, whether you want to automatically track your rankings or whether you don't, how many pages after how many seconds, whether you want to use proxies, whether you don't, and you have all sorts of other settings as well, guys. And obviously you have your capture settings here as well. So I'm going to come out of the video keyword prospector. I believe many of you guys might have already seen this. If you haven't seen this, guys, and you want to see and you want to have a better and a more closer look around, then I will show you this towards the end. But first of all, guys, I do have one quick question for you. How many of you guys have actually seen our previous webinar about the video marketing blitz? If you can give me a yes in the chat box if you've already seen it and you know exactly what I'm talking about, or if you give me a no in the chat box to let me know that, you know what, you haven't seen it before, and you don't know exactly what I'm talking about, but you are following along. Okay, so we've actually got a mixed number of responses down here. We've got a lot of yeses coming in, and we've got a lot of no's coming in, and we've got some yeses coming in, but they want to learn more. Fantastic. So you know what, we're going to actually show you around other areas that we've never been able to show you on previous webinars. So if you've seen our webinar before, guys, the good news is that you're going to be able to see a better and closer look at the entire other process. Before, what we concentrated on was concentrated on was only working with the video keyword prospector, but now I'm going to be focusing on other areas. So just before I actually get going with step 2, David, was there anything that you wanted to add in regards to the video keyword prospector, or do you think, you know what, the explanation's enough and we can get on with
No,
step 2?
you've done perfectly all right with that, Abs. Everything was pretty straightforward and nice and quick tonight. Woo!
Fantastic stuff. Okay, so I did promise that I'm going to try and keep it thorough and quick, so let me get on with step 2. So I'm going to start from the current slide, guys, and I'm going to get on to step 2. So if you can give me a yes in the chat box, you can see my slide and it says step 2, guys, then I will get on going. So yes, you know what, we've got a fantastically engaged audience today as well, which is superb. You're all answering very quickly. And you know what, I'm actually I was actually kind of concerned. I was telling David that my upload speed today has been fairly poor, and I was blaming it on maybe the festive season and everyone using the internet and maybe our ISP capping our speeds or something. But anyway, we're getting on fine. So I'm getting on with step 2, guys. Okay, so step 2, now that we have a list of keywords that are easy to rank for, so we've ran the video keyword prospector, we found out what keywords can rank inside of Google, we now need videos and thumbnails to upload for those keywords. Don't forget, we deleted those videos, guys, and the reason we delete those videos is because we don't want to spend all of our effort in creating a very cool video when we're not sure if we're going to be able to rank for it. Sometimes Google doesn't even show videos for certain keywords, and we don't know what keywords they're going to show videos for. And if they do, guys, or if you do go after certain keywords and you don't know if they're going to show a video, then your efforts might be, you know what, you might be trying for ages before you get any type of movement whatsoever. So anyway, now we need good videos and we need thumbnails for these videos. So you either have a video already or you don't have a video, guys. I'm hoping that you already have a good video. Don't forget, guys, you want a nice quality video that will convert. You want to convert your traffic. If you don't, guys, we do have a solution for you as well. Not the best of solution that's going to convert, but you know what? We do have a solution to take your one video and then make unique versions of that video, because you're going to need a unique video, guys, for each keyword that you're going to target. And you might have a list now of hundreds of keywords that you're able to rank for. If you don't have a video, guys, then you're going to need to create those videos. And each video is also going to need a thumbnail, guys. So for this and for step 2, we have something or a tool known as the Video Manager. This allows you to create videos, thumbnails. It even works with text to speech, which you might have seen in one of our recent video product ranker products as well, guys. But obviously this gives you much more control, and there's so much more as well, guys. It allows you to create bulk thumbnails, create bulk videos, create single videos, add video clips, search for images, work with multiple transitions. You're able to manipulate existing videos, add intros and outros. You have a fully blown image editor, guys. You can also create text-to-speech voiceovers, spin voices and words, split and merge videos as well, and so much more. So I'm going to take you through and show you the Video Manager as well, guys. So I don't actually have this started, so I'm going to start this now. So we've got the Video Manager here, and I'm going to open up the software. And I'm going to show you exactly what we can do with this. I'm going to actually give you an example and a demonstration of each sort of step, which isn't going to take us too long. So if you can just let me know, guys, you can see the Video Manager. I've got it open in front of me. If you can just give me a yes, please, in the chat box, guys. Okay, we've got some ones coming in and we've got some yeses coming in. Yes, good to go, fantastic. Okay, so I'm going to show you what we can do with the Video Manager. So the very first thing I'm going to show you is how we can create thumbnails. So we need thumbnails, guys, and the software comes with a built-in thumbnail generator. So let me just show you exactly what I'm going to do. So I've got some sport cars here, guys. Let me maximize this for you so you can see a better view. So you can see I've got some images down here, guys, of sports cars. Okay, I'm going to take these. I should have had some plumber images, guys, so that we could have gone and kept with tonight's example. But not to worry, I'm sure you'll understand exactly what I'm trying to do. So we can take these and we'll actually tell the software where these are. So I'll go to the Video Manager and I'll say I want to import my sports car images. Now I've got the option to add some text down here. So I'll just say, let's just go with the sport car theme for now. So I'm going to say fast car, my car, dream car, okay, sports car. Okay, I do apologize about the example, guys. I'm going to change the color of the font as well, guys. I can change the size of the font as well. So let's just say we had 49 or 50 here. We can change the actual font here as well. We can add shadow and whatnot to as well. So anyway, let's add some bottom text as well. Okay, we won't add any bottom text. I'll minimize this. What I'll do though is I'll add some bottom text. I'll show you exactly how we actually show you in the tutorials how everything works in. And for this, I'll actually add something like my URL, video marketing blitz.com. Okay, I'm going to minimize this. Okay, we can actually change the font color and everything and the size here as well. So let's go with white. And I'm going to minimize that. And now I can actually add a background color or choose a background color or add a background theme. What I will do, I've actually got a background theme here as well, guys. I actually called it BG image, I think. Yeah, here we go. I'll actually show you this when we select it. So I'm going to select this to work with background images. BG image. So there's the BG image, guys. You can see it nice and blue. It's going to look nice in the background. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to click on run batch. Okay, and as you can see straight away, guys, it's done. It's a batch processor. It works super duper fast. Let me show you how these look so you can actually get a good example of what we've done. So here are the images, guys. Okay, so they haven't come all in one line. And the reason they haven't come all in one line is because I didn't do them to the size that I want to do them. So what we can do is come back in here again, guys. We can say, well, you know what? We want a 1080p times 720 image in here. Okay, and we want to run the batch. And it's done again, guys. What we can do now is open them up, and as you can see, they look much better now. And we can play around with this, guys. We can add other text on here as well. You don't have to add a background image on there as well, guys, and it's super duper fast. That's the main thing that I'm actually trying to show you. So you're never going to be short of working with thumbnails, guys. In fact, we actually give you another tool that allows you to make other thumbnails as well, guys, which is really cool. And when you're working with this here as well, guys, what I should have shown you is you can actually work with spin syntax as well. So you can actually add everything in a spin syntax format. Let me just do this real quick, guys. Okay, and I can click on run batch again. Okay, and we've run a batch mode, and what you'll see inside of here is everything has come exactly the same again, guys. But the reason it's come exactly the same is because we're using exactly the same text, but this time it's worked based on the spin syntax. Okay, so that's one thing that you can do with this software, guys. You can generate as many thumbnails as you want for your videos. What you can also do as well, guys, is you've got a video manager. Inside of this video manager, you can perform multiple tasks. You can create multiple videos, guys. You can add background images, you can add video clips, filler images, intros, outros, audios, and voiceovers, everything we take you through in the actual video tutorials. The cool thing about this, guys, is that you can actually randomize absolutely everything down here, guys. You can add minimum and maximum delays, you can add minimum and maximum clips, when to add these clips as well, guys, and you can add text to your actual images as well. I'm not going to actually show you all of this in front of you now, guys, but we do show you everything in the actual back end. You can add URLs and watermarks. You can choose from all your transitions that you want to work with, guys. We've got a bunch of transitions you can work with. You've got a bunch of pan and zoom effects that you can work with as well. You can randomize speed. You can work with quick spin videos. You can tell the software how many videos you want to make. If you want to work with intro and outro clips, what size, how many threads to work with, and whatnot, you guys. And it really is cool, and it allows you to create multiple videos at the same time for all of these keywords that you identified in step one. Okay, and if you want to have more control, guys, then you actually have a video timeline. Let me actually show you how the video timeline works real quick, guys. So let's just say we got them sport car images again. I'll actually choose these sport car images and I'll add them in here. All of these images are added in here now, guys. What I can do is create a video from all of these images. I can actually move the position of these images as well. I can change and choose exactly what transition I want for each image. I can choose what pan and zoom effect I want for each image. So I could have all of these different. I could have, okay, this one's a left tilt transition. This one's going to be a pixelized transition. This one's going to be a fade transition. In fact, what I can do, I can click on edit and I can go ahead and I can add different text blocks inside of here. I can change the font color of these text blocks as well, guys. If I want to change the font color, I can add multiple text blocks inside of here. Okay, I can add different images inside of here as well. We have a layered control area down here as well. Okay, I've got a quick image here. Okay, we can work with aspect ratios and make it minimize stuff and whatnot. There's so much you can do down here, guys. It's really cool and it gives you all the control that you require. You can add intro clips, outro clips, and whatnot as well. You can add video clips inside in between these as well, guys. Okay, we've got a text to voice editor in here as well, guys, whereby you can add all your text in here. You can work with multiple voices. Obviously, the voices need to be installed on your computer. We actually show you how to get hold of these voices as well, guys. You can work with short codes. You can generate multiple tracks that you can use with the software or out of the software, with your videos or without your videos. And it really is cool, guys. Our guys love working with this, and I'm sure you're going to love working with this as well. The cool thing about this is that it works with spin syntax. You can have the one article in here with spin syntax, spin the voices, and tell the software to generate, I don't know, 50 tracks, all using the same article, all read out by different voices, and it works really, really quick. You can change all sorts of stuff inside of here as well, guys. Okay, you also have a video manipulation and an optimization and a merger. What the video manipulation tab allowed you to do is, say for example, you add a video inside of here that's 1 hour long, and now you want to create 10 clips of that video, but in bite-sized video sizes, so 10-minute each. And you can do that here, guys. This allows you to do it. Okay, you can actually go ahead and create them videos in 10 minutes each, and then add intro videos and outro videos to them as well. So to introduce those videos, which might not even be your videos, but you've just split up, guys. Okay, you can actually add your own audio track to those videos as well, as opposed to having its own audio in there, or you can keep the own audio in there as well. And you can watermark those videos which aren't even yours, guys, and you can add your URLs to them and all sorts. Okay, there's video optimization, whereby you can come along and you can add, or you can change formats of your videos, you can change the size and dimensions of your videos, you can even add videos in here and replace it with your own audio, exactly like we could do in the video manipulation, but this is whereby you're manipulating one video, able to split it into multiple parts and replace the audio at the same time. Here you can do it separately, guys. You can even, in fact, you can get a video, guys, and just extract the audio so that you can use that audio as your own soundtrack in your own videos when you're working with it. You have a video merger track here as well, guys, whereby you can actually add multiple videos. Let me go to my desktop. I've got some videos down here. Okay, oops. So I might have this video, these 3 videos, for example, and I might want to merge all 3 of these videos together. So you can merge the videos together as well. In fact, these might be my videos, and I've just recently gone on to Fiverr and bought myself an intro and outro video, or an outro clip. And now what I want to do is go ahead and add my intro and outro clip to those videos. So I can add all my videos in here, load my intro and outros, and tell the software, oops, enable intro and outro, and tell the software that I want to add intro and outro to all of these videos. And the software will actually not merge them, but it'll go ahead and add intros and outros to all your videos as well. A real quick way to getting some branding done for your own YouTube channels if you already haven't got intro and outro clips, guys. Okay, there's so much more you can do with this as well. You've got a batch video using text to speech, so you can actually go ahead, add your article inside of here, whereby it will generate the text to speech, and then you can get it all done together and tell the software, you know what, go ahead and create, I don't know how many videos using the text to speech added. I personally like to generate my text to speech first and add the text to speech as a voiceover in step 1 with my audio track. Okay, I'm really sorry if I'm going fairly fast for you guys, but I promise you, you know what, we have all tutorials for you that will actually show you everything throughout the step of the way. But what I will say is that this is perfect for step 2, whereby you can get your one video, you can uniqueify that video, you can add intros and outros to that video, or you can go ahead and create multiple videos which are going to cover the keywords that we've identified in step 1. You can also harvest images and videos as well. Okay, so this is the video manager. David, anything you wanted to add before I get on?
Yes, please, Abbas. I've actually got a question in the back end here, which you may be able to answer while you're on the video manager. The question has actually come from Brian G, and he says, can you tag the thumbnail to be added to a specific video, i.e. NY plumber to an NY photo or words?
Okay, you know what we'll do? Let me get onto the video manager, let me get onto the YouTube management suite and show you exactly what tool we have for uploading these videos and uploading these thumbnails together, and then I'll actually answer this question when we get there as well. But you know what?
That's great, Tabs. Fantastic.
But I will say it's a very good question, and you know what? I'm going to try my best to answer that for you as well. So anyway, I'm going to get back on with today's presentation, guys, because I have got some more tools to show you as well. So I'm going to start with the current slide. Now we're going to get on to step 3. If you can just confirm, guys, you can see I'm back in my presentation and it says step 3. Fantastic. Brilliant stuff. Yes, we've got loads of yeses. Okay, yes, the video manager and everything that I'm showing you guys is going to be included in tonight's offer. Don't worry, I'm not going to be showing you anything that's not going to be included tonight. Okay, so step 3, guys. We now have keywords that will rank inside of Google. Okay, we also have videos created for those keywords, and we have thumbnails created for those videos. So for this, we use 2 softwares. We use the video keyword prospector to go out there and find out what keywords rank inside of Google, and then we went ahead and used the video manager to uniquify our main video, or to create videos and to create thumbnails as well. Just give me 1 second, guys. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to optimize our titles, descriptions, and tags for the keywords that we've identified that are easy to rank. We need to create playlists inside of YouTube, and then we need to upload videos to the playlists with our thumbnails. Okay, and for this we have a tool called the YouTube Management Suite, and this is what we're going to do. Sorry, it allows you to manage entire YouTube channels and accounts. You can upload videos, add thumbnails, add geo coordinates to your videos. Sorry guys, I've just suddenly got a real bad throat. Okay, you can add geo coordinates to your videos as well, guys. You can create playlists, you can edit playlists, you can upload videos to a playlist. You can edit and optimize videos, you can change video data, you can change thumbnails on already uploaded videos, you can perform live streaming, you can comment on your own videos, you can perform single posts, group posts, and channel posts as well, guys. So let me take you around the YouTube Management Suite and show you exactly how this fits in. Okay, so I haven't actually got it open. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to close the video manager. We can always open them at the end, guys, if you have any questions. Okay, so I'm going to open up the YouTube Management Suite. And I'm going to show you exactly how this works. Okay, so step 3, guys, we now need to upload all of our videos and our thumbnails and our descriptions, and we need to optimize everything, guys. So we've got the manage accounts, guys. Just one thing that I want to mention down here, guys, is when you add accounts to one of your tools, then so any one of these tools, so the video keyword prospector or whatever, then they're also going to be you're going to be able to add them inside of here by using import and export features. You're not going to have to add accounts manually one by one in every single tool. Okay, so on here you can post videos, or you can perform live events, or you can edit videos. Let me quickly run through the edit videos tab, and then I'll show you exactly how to do everything else. So this is my own account here, abs rav. Okay, I'm going to click on get videos, and what it's doing now is telling me I've got 192 videos in my account. It tells me all of the actual videos I've got in my account. It tells me the status of these, the tags that I'm using as well, how many views, how many likes, how many comments, what not you I've got in here as well. But the cool thing about this, guys, is that I'm able to now edit all of these areas. I can actually click on here and it will open up a different area where I can edit and change my description, add a comment to the video if I want to add a video comment, if I want to change a thumbnail, I can do all that here as well, guys. I can add my geo coordinates, I can perform tag research and all sorts. And I can do that from here as well. So it's a quick area to do. So for example, 4 voices, no text. Test. I'm going to quickly click on test just to show you. Let me show you the video first. Okay, so it says here 4 voices, no text. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to check this here, and I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to make sure my minimum tags is not too minimum at the moment, and I'm going to click on update. And all I've done is I've selected this one video here. What the software is doing now is logging into my account and updating that video, and it's saying that it's done. I'm going to click here. Oops, not here. I'm going to go back here. Okay, so 4 voices, no text, and I'm going to click on refresh. Okay, and now you can see it says 4 voices, no text, test. So what we've just been able to do here, guys, is change and manipulate titles and even descriptions if we want to on all of our videos that are already uploaded into our YouTube accounts without having to log into those YouTube accounts. So I can do exactly the same that I've just done here on all of these here, and then just check the ones that I want to upload, or sorry, update, and then click on update, and it's going to go ahead and update all of them. So you know, some of our users in the Video Marketing Blitz package work with renting videos to clients, and they might already have videos that are ranking in Google, and one of their conditions when they're sending videos to clients is, you know what, we'll actually give you a link from the description area. So instead of you having to log into your YouTube account and having to change and edit all of the details, you use the YouTube Management Suite Edit Videos area to come along and add those details in here. You might actually want to go ahead and, you know what, one of the features that we are going to be building inside of here, guys, is the ability for you to create internal links between videos. When that comes in, then that's going to allow you to, you know, automatically, you know, select a video and what video should be pointing to it, or when you're doing the descriptions and whatnot. But you can do it manually now as well. You can come here, you can select videos, you can link them internally to other videos and whatnot. It provides you with all the, you know, all the power and edits that you need. You can add videos to a playlist as well, guys. So if you've got videos on your channel that haven't already been to a playlist but you want to organize them, you can do all sorts from here. So let me show you how the posting videos work, guys. So the posting videos, you can perform group posts, you can perform channel posts, you can perform single posts, and you can work with playlists as well. Let me just quickly show you playlists before we get onto that, guys, because this is something a bit different to everything else. So my YouTube, so this is one of my groups, my account is here, and now what I can do, I can actually choose and see what playlist I have down here. So I've got this keyword research playlist down here. I'll click on get videos. What the software does, it goes ahead, logs in, gets my 10 or gets my videos that are in the playlist. In this case, we've only got 10 videos in this playlist. What I can do from here is I can go, okay, well, you know what, I want to actually move this video up in the playlist. I actually want to move this video up in the playlist. In fact, what I want to do is have this video as the very first video in the playlist. And then I can go ahead and click on update, and this whole software will go ahead and change all that for us. We can actually go ahead and perform edits on the titles and everything that we want in here as well, guys. And we can do all sorts. In fact, you can actually click on edit playlist, and you're able to go ahead and edit the title of the playlist. You're able to edit the descriptions. As you can see, there's no tags on here. I can go ahead and get tags for this playlist as well, and all sorts, guys. You can remove the playlist, and you can create new playlists as well. You can create new playlists so that you're able to then go ahead and post to those playlists when you're going ahead to upload those videos to your YouTube account. Okay, so this is one area that I quickly wanted to show you that you can do on here as well, guys. Okay, so single post. A single post is whereby you're going to get the one video, you're going to optimize it, add your thumbnail, whatever, and you're going to upload it to YouTube. Okay, a channel post is when you're going to choose one channel, but you're going to have multiple videos uploaded to that channel. And a group post is whereby you're going to get multiple videos, but upload them to multiple accounts or channels. Okay, so let me give you an example of how this works. So I'm going to choose some videos first. I've got some videos on my desktop, like we've already seen. So I'm going to add them inside of here. Okay, so here's my videos inside of here. What I'm going to do now is click and add my thumbnails inside of here as well. So we've already created some thumbnails. Let me just find the YouTube Manager. Oops, no, we're not in the YouTube Manager, are we? We're inside. Oh, yeah, we are. We're in the Video Manager. What am I doing? Video Manager and Sports Cars, and get these images here. So we now have all of our actual thumbnails on here as well. Now, coming back to Brian's question, where Brian said, if we have a video, so what we can do, let me just show you exactly how this works. Okay, I need to select my groups first, so let me just select this group here. Okay, so let me go inside of here. Inside of here, guys, I can add a video description to this actual video. I can add a video comment to this actual video. I can add tags. Okay, so tags, guys, you might have seen how we perform tag research. Okay, let me just quickly show you this anyway, so you know exactly how it works. So this goes out, it searches the top 10 ranking videos, the top videos that are ranking on the first page of YouTube for the video, for the keyword plumber. It then cross-references all of the tags and it orders them in the order of most popular, on the most popular. So yeah, so these are the most popular ones for the plumber, guys, and you'll actually go ahead and pinpoint the ones that you want, and you can actually use them. Okay, you can add your own thumbnail inside of here as well, guys. You can choose the status of what you want, and you can do this on each individual video. Okay, so you don't have to add thumbnails like the way I did, but for saving time, that's exactly why we built it. Okay, and global settings, you can add titles, and each title will be used for a different video. And so, for example, I might have all the keywords that ranked, guys. So let's say, for example, let's just go over and work with this same file that we had here. All of these are keywords that ranked. I'm going to copy them, I'm going to go over to here and I'm going to add them in the global settings, guys. So now we have all these keywords that are ranked and I've added them into my global settings. What's going to happen is the software will upload this video using the first keyword or the title that we've added here. It will then go ahead, upload the second video, using the second title that we've added here, and so forth. Okay, but what the software does when it actually combines the videos, merges the videos with thumbnails, is that it works based on an alphabetical and numerical order. So if you wanted your thumbnails to merge and work with your videos, then you'd have to have one for, or A for one of your videos or whatever for your videos, and you'd have to make sure that the thumbnails match them as well. Now, I know that could be a bit tiresome. The only other way of actually making sure that the thumbnails merge and combine and get assigned to your videos is by doing each thumbnail manual, like here as well. But what we can do is, like I said, it was a brilliant question by Brian, and I think, you know what, it would be a great update for us to be able to build something whereby you could actually, you know what, import your videos, import your thumbnails, and have such a system whereby it automatically matches those thumbnails with those videos. At the moment, the only way to do it would be to do it manually, or the only other option is to make sure you have your file names for the videos and thumbnails matching. If you do, then they'll get assigned together for the way you want. Okay, so anyway, what you can do here, guys, coming back over to this, you can go over to global settings. You can add your video descriptions. Now, video descriptions, you can add you can work with shortcodes as well. You can add your keyword, and this will be the keyword that gets replaced. It'll get replaced with the title that you're using when you're actually uploading that video. You can add descriptions. Sorry, what we're doing. You can load your descriptions from file. You can add line breaks in here as well. Okay, you can add tags in here as well, guys. Global tags, so you can actually go ahead and choose. So if we go to get tags again, we could choose all of these tags down here if we want to, like loads and loads of tags. But then when we're actually posting, tell the software, well, you know what, we want you to use between 5 and, I don't know, 10 tags on every single video, and it will actually randomly choose those tags on there as well. You can add geo coordinates as well, so you can geotag your videos. So let's just say, for example, yours in Peterborough. Okay, you can take these coordinates here, guys, and you can add these coordinates inside of the video. And the cool thing about this is, I'll show you what we can do. Let me just add these in here, and I'll show you what happens. Okay, so we could have this area here. So we might be targeting something just in Peterborough, for example, but we might have multiple keywords. So we actually show you how to get packets. So when I say packets of keywords, so let's say, for example, you're targeting something like the restaurant niche or the takeaway niche. So you might have something like best takeaway in Peterborough, best burgers in Peterborough, best chips in Peterborough, best, I don't know, tomato ketchup in Peterborough, or you know, whatever silly examples. I can't really come out with any more examples apart from them being silly. But what you can do is you can multi-tag your videos in different locations within that city. And the way you do this is you actually spin the actual last characters. So you can add your normal spinned syntax, and you can spin different letters or different areas of these coordinates. And this will actually make sure it's the same type of area, only a little bit different from from the actual location from wherever you selected. So if you want to add your postcode or your zip code to get a precise location and then change them, then it's going to be loads of videos going to get uploaded in different type of areas for that same location. Okay, you can add video comments as well, guys, and video comments actually allow you to get do follow links. We highly recommend adding video comments to your videos, especially if you're associating your videos with a website, and I'll show you in a moment what you can actually do with all these videos that actually rank. Okay, so this is how you'd work with this, guys, and the channel post works exactly the same way. Single post obviously is going to work just by you adding the one video and the one thumbnail and optimizing it that way. In fact, guys, you know what, I hardly ever log into YouTube now because the YouTube management suite allows me to do absolutely everything from here and so much more, and it's so much easier as well. Okay, what you can do with this as well, guys, is you can perform live events as well. So we know many of our customers love working with live events, and we've made it very similar to how it works with uploads, but the only difference is it works with events. So let me show you how this works. So you can perform and create group events, channel events, and single events, exactly the same as what I've just mentioned to you with uploads. A single event is choosing the one account, guys, and creating the one event. A channel event is creating multiple events on the one channel, and a group event is creating multiple events split over between loads of channels. Okay, so whatever you have inside of your account management and inside of your group. So for example, live events, I have all these here, guys. I can go ahead and create multiple events all on one of these here. And let me show you exactly how to do this. So the very first thing is I'll click on add event, guys. And now it's asking me how many events I want to create. Let's just say, for example, for this example, I want to create 17 events. Okay, so one event on each one of those accounts. I've got placeholders added inside of here, exactly the same way that we saw when we were working with, uploading videos, guys. Yep. So it's very, very similar. What we can do now is we can actually add thumbnails. One piece and one note that I want to make on thumbnails, though, guys, is YouTube has recently made an update, which you might have been aware of, guys. It come along with the Google Keyword Planner update as well, whereby you need to have an associated and confirmed AdSense account linked to YouTube if you want to actually embed, if you want to add thumbnails, sorry, to your videos, to your events, sorry. It doesn't affect normal videos, it only affects events. So anyway, you can actually go ahead and add your thumbnails in here as well. So let me just quickly show you adding my thumbnails, just to show you exactly the similarities and how easy it's going to be to work with these tools once you familiarize yourself with only one of them. Again, guys, you can go ahead and add global settings. Do exactly the same that I mentioned. The only difference here this time is that you can pick an event start date. Okay, so you can pick a date, say from today at 9:44 until, let's say, I don't know, the 24th at 9:44. And what will happen is the software will randomly pick a date between these times that you have down here. And you can apply this to all of the events down here. So all of these will be created with different times and different intervals for these events to happen. Okay, and you can go inside of each one as well, guys, and you can actually choose a different thumbnail if you wanted to. You can go ahead and you can assign your video to each event if you wanted to at this stage. If you didn't want to assign your video at this stage, then you don't have to. Okay, because you can, once the events are created, you can go over to manage events and you can see all of your events down here. I don't actually have any events available down here, guys. You know what, I'll actually create some events. Let's just create some events. Let me just clear this list. Let's create some events, because you know what, we can actually multi-stream to events at the same time as well. So this software is so powerful, guys. It allows you to create multiple events, but then you can go ahead and stream to, like, say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 events at exactly the same time. You know what, before I go and do that, let me just ask you guys if you want to see me do that. Right, guys, if I'm going too fast, give me a yes. If you want me to slow down, give me a yes. Okay, guys, do we still have you with us? We do, yes. Okay, no. Dwayne is saying no. We got some yeses coming through. Confused about proxies. Scott, we haven't spoken about proxies yet. We're going to get to proxies soon. No, you're good, you're good. Okay, so I'm going to keep it at this pace. Because I know everyone has other things to do as well, guys, and I promise you, I've got some other things to get through as well. But we are going to have a replay, and I'm going to send you all a replay. I hope we're going to have a replay, because I am actually recording this. But if you want to see me create events and you want to see me stream to these events, give me a yes. If you're okay with me not showing you, then just give me a no. And if you want me to continue. Okay, so we've got lots of yeses coming through. I think we've got more yeses than no's. No, we've got lots of no's coming through now as well. David, what do you reckon?
Still more yeses than no's.
Okay, so let me show you how to do this, guys. And I'm going to do this live in front of you guys. What I've forgotten to do, guys, is actually go back over to the video keyword prospector and show you exactly where we're at. We're at 187 videos uploaded inside of Google. Guys, I can go over to the video rank tracker and I can click on filter, and we've managed to filter 67 of those keywords that are ranking inside of Google. In fact, what we can do is towards the end of the video, guys, if you want to go ahead and confirm these rankings with me from your location or whatnot, then I'm happy to go ahead and spend that time with you as well. So I just want to show you that, you know what, while I'm doing this presentation, we've got videos uploading, we've got keywords that are being found for, being filtered, and we're getting these easy to rank for identified keywords that we're looking to do in step 1. What I'm going to do now, though, is I'm going to add some, I'm not going to add no thumbnails, guys, because these accounts don't have verified AdSense accounts with them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say I want to create 4 events. Okay, I'm going to add videos to these events as well. So I'm going to go to my desktop, I'm going to go to camcorder, I'm going to choose 4 videos. Now these videos only get assigned to the event, so when we go and manage our events, it's going to be quicker. I'm going to tell the software here I want to create 4 events. I'm going to go over to global settings, so I can just do this real quick, and I'm going to say I'm going to say my event, test event, new event, I don't know, fun event. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and down here, I'm going to say add my keyword, and the keyword is going to be replaced with that as well, guys. I'm going to choose, I've already set this here, guys. I'm not going to add any tags, anything like that. I'm going to click on save. I'm going to tell the software to create 4, and I'm going to click on start. Oops, I've had a pretty, I forgot to change the resolution, guys. I would have put a bigger resolution on here. Not to worry, we can come back to this in a moment, guys. All of these accounts here are actually working behind a proxy. So let me show you this here, guys. All of these accounts have all proxies assigned to them. Somebody did make notes about a proxy, guys. I'm going to come to proxies in a moment as well, guys, in a moment. But yes, we do highly recommend every account that you have has a different proxy associated with it. If you have multiple channels to that account, guys, then of course you can use exactly the same proxy. Okay, we're on live events, guys, and we've already created 2 events here. When we go over to manage events now, what we can do is, let me just switch this over to all. Okay, what I can do now is I can actually see 3 events down here, guys. I can click on my event. Okay, this is an event that we've just created, guys. And as you can see down here, this is an event that says please stand by. This is one event anyway, guys. I'm going to actually minimize this control bar screen here, guys, just to save me some space. Okay, let me just flick over and let's see if we're done. Okay, so there we go, guys. 4 events is created. 4 events is created. 57 seconds, guys. Again, we're working behind proxies. If not, it would have been much more quicker. What I can do now is I can actually click on edit event. Give it 2 seconds, guys, because it needs to communicate. And it doesn't actually have the video file assigned to it, unfortunately. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to click on start streaming. I'm going to choose a video file, guys. I don't know why it didn't get assigned there, but I'll do it manually here. I'm going to choose this video file. I'm going to click on save. Are you sure you want to start streaming? I'm going to say yes. While that's getting initiated, I'm going to quickly go ahead and try another one. Again, guys, we've got like over 100 on this call right now. Let me just verify that. Yeah, we've got over 100 of you on this call right now, guys. I'm uploading videos. Oh, look at that. We failed to stream the video, guys. Okay, so that actually failed to stream the video. And I'm going to blame this on my actual broadband speed. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try it one more time, guys. Let's see if it can initialize and do the process for us. So we'll try one. So it's test starting now. We'll let this get started. Hopefully it's going to let us do it, guys. And if it does, then we can get the next one started as well. I've actually got a video. You know what I'll do? Oh, there we go. We're live there, guys. Fantastic. So let's just go ahead and get on to our second video. Save. And yes, I want to start it. Now, this is going to initialize as well, guys, and start streaming as well. Okay, so have a look to the top there, guys. We're test starting there, and it's going to start streaming. Give it 2 seconds until it says live. Hopefully.
You are pushing the limits with your broadband, mate.
Yeah, you know, here we go. Look, we've got 2 live streaming now, aren't we? Still.
Excellent.
With over 100 on call and uploading videos as well. So we're going for the third one now. Okay, and what we can do, we can actually go over to this as well, guys. So I'll go into my event and oops, okay, this one's still starting. So it's actually sending all the information over to YouTube, guys. So we'll give it a few more seconds. Let's see what this one, if this one started already. Oh yeah, okay. So this one started, guys. As you can see, we've got the live sign there. Oh, this one's live as well, guys. While that's going live, let's go for the 4th. Okay, let's go for the 4th. It's so easy and so cool, guys, that you know what, I have no problem trying to do a demonstration in front of you. Okay, so this is the 4th one. Is this one live yet? Yes, this one's live as well. Okay, obviously the resolution is really poor at the moment, guys. Okay, so this is still, oops, here we go, failed to stream this video. Let's, you know what, let's try again, because the last time it worked, didn't it? Okay, so that one's complete there, guys. This one's test starting. There we go, it's about to start. And that one's complete there as well, guys. This one's going to go over to complete in a moment. And this one's test starting. It's about to go live. And again, guys, you know what? I'm going to actually go over to Facebook, and I'm going to show you an image. Here we go, guys. Screenshot. This was only yesterday. Screenshot shows me streaming 5 events at the same time. So this was doing 5 events at the same time, guys. I've done more. This was just practicing and making sure, oops, everything is working okay. Let me just minimize. Oh, why isn't this minimizing? Okay, there we go. Okay, so anyway, guys, these two are still live and they're still doing it. So anyway, what you can do, guys, is you can go ahead and you can create multiple events. You can multi-stream to them events, guys. I've just done it in front of you. You know what? It's not going to get any different when you're going to be using it as well, guys. I'm going to actually go ahead and delete these events, though. So I'm going to remove these events one at a time. If I had multiple events on the same channel, then I can go ahead and remove them events, multiple events at exactly the same time as well. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and remove these events, guys. Okay, so this is how you work with events, how you can upload and work with group events, channel events, single events. You can manage events, guys. You can actually, there's so much you can do on here, guys, that I don't want to baffle you with all sorts of things. In fact, you can go ahead, create multiple events. You can come over to manage accounts and then you can choose a video folder. So you might have a folder full of the one video that you've unified to, I don't know, 50 videos. And you don't even have to assign each video like I did. You can actually choose the one folder and it will go ahead and go through each one at a time, you know, making it super duper easy and, you know, hands-free for you. You can do exactly the same with posting videos as well, guys. In fact, when you're doing channel posts, what you'll see here is number of videos to, same channel upload threads. So what you can do is you can upload 5, 6, 7 videos to the same channel simultaneously. Now you can't do this with the groups, guys, because obviously, you know, we need to work with individual threads and whatnot. But when you're doing a channel post, guys, then you know what, you can, and it makes it super duper quick and super duper easy, and it gives you the extra edge over everyone else as well. I'm sure there's some things that I've totally forgotten here as well, guys, but you know what, we cover everything in the video tutorials in our Facebook group and whatnot as well. So anyway, if you're happy with this explanation, give me a yes. Oh, actually, David, if there's anything that I've missed and you know what, you can think that I need to quickly add, then
Yeah, one little thing, Abs. Tell them about how those live events don't get bashed to bits.
okay, could you give me a, I didn't quite
Well,
understand.
we've heard from a lot of other people, you know, where they're getting channels banned, etc. with the live events. We just haven't had that.
Okay, yes. Okay, so I did mention in one of my emails yesterday as well, guys, that we're going to be discussing some recent Google changes and some recent YouTube changes. I'm sure many of you guys that you know what, are already working and doing video marketing have already seen, especially about a month ago or a couple of weeks ago, there was a massive phase of where loads of accounts, YouTube channels and accounts were getting totally banned. And you know what, accounts that had 20,000 videos, 2,000 videos, you know what, I don't know how many hundreds and you know thousands of videos and accounts actually got lost. But there were some things that these accounts and these people did have in common. And one thing that I'll mention to you guys is I'll actually, you know what, I'll actually show you in the group, in our Facebook group in a moment as well. We've got a whole topic on this as well. None of our accounts inside of the Video Marketing Blitz package were affected. Like I said, we teach you how to work with proxies, how to assign proxies to your account, make it look totally natural, as if you're a natural person, a natural user, a natural YouTube owner. Even if it means, you know, uploading, I don't know, hundreds of videos a day, you still don't get your account banned as long as you're using as long as you're using YouTube in the right way. And when I say the right way, you don't want to be linking accounts. People have been linking accounts. People have been uploading videos. They've been creating live events. They've been doing so many things, guys, without proxies. Now, this is the big main part you need to think about, guys. We don't go out there and spend money on proxies just for the sake of it so that we can go ahead and, you know what, waste our cash. We do it for protection, guys. And our accounts, even while all these accounts were getting banned, guys, not one of our accounts have been hit. In fact, guys, in this video keyword prospector, this software, let me just move this chat box, guys. Okay, the video keyword prospector, guys, these accounts that you see down here, guys, are still the exact same accounts that I've been working with since back in March 2016, or since back in February 2016, and it's been many months, guys. I've uploaded hundreds and thousands and I don't know how many videos to these accounts, and we still haven't been hit, guys. Now, I'm not going to say no one in our group has ever been hit and they haven't had accounts banned. You know what? If you're going to do something against YouTube's terms and conditions, upload videos that aren't unique enough or whatnot, and you're going to get strikes, or somebody's or your competitor's going to come ahead and, you know what, start flagging your videos. They're kind of things that we can't control inside of the software. But when it comes to the software and managing your YouTube accounts, managing sessions, managing absolutely everything, guys, then you know what, this software allows you to do it. And you can be totally risk-free, guys, because everything is kept in its own containers. Everything is kept with its own sessions and its own proxies. And you know what? We keep absolutely everything separate, guys, with absolutely everything. The only time we use exactly the same details is when you're either working with one of the tools, because we want to make sure everything remains the same. So the same session that we have with the video keyword prospector will be used when you're working with the YouTube management suite. So it looks like it's exactly the same, guys. No differences, no unexpected or unusual activity or any of that kind of stuff. So yeah, our stuff has remained totally safe. Our accounts have remained totally safe. Our users' accounts have remained totally safe as well. Now, there have been hundreds of accounts that have been hit for other people that are using different softwares. If you're going to go out there and create hundreds and thousands of events, guys, then just make sure you're using proxies at the very minimum. Now, we don't recommend you going out there creating 100,000 of events, especially if they're not newsworthy. If you feel that events have more of a leverage over or more of an advantage over regular uploads, then by all means, our tools allow you to do it. In fact, I'm going to show you other tools that allow you to do exactly what the video keyword prospector does for uploads, but for events, guys, so that you can go out there, rank your events before you even stream a video, delete events that don't rank, and then only stream to the events that do rank. So anyway, if we're cool with the YouTube management suite, guys, then I want to get back on with the presentation. So if you can give me a yes, guys, that you're happy with the current explanation. Okay, yes, we've got some yes, 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 yes. Okay, so Morgan's saying if Google's watching this, then they might ban your test channels if what you showed here. You know what, if they're going to ban them, then you know what, we're going to go out there and we're going to get more accounts. And you know what, like I said to you, I've been using them since March. I've gone through hundreds and thousands of maybe keywords. And even if I do lose them, I'm not bothered one bit, guys. But just remember, if you come to using the software, you're not going to be doing what I'm doing. I'm exposing my accounts and I'm still working with them since March, guys. So you know what, that actually gives you something to actually think about. But anyway, let me minimize this screen, guys. I'm going to get on with the presentation as well, guys. Let's take a look at the YouTube Management Suite. Okay, step 4, guys. Just give me a yes if you can see that I'm back in my presentation. You can see it saying yes. Sorry, you can see it saying step 4. Okay, Bruce, fantastic, saying yes. Give me a couple of yeses, guys, so that you're all with me. Brilliant. Okay, so we're all on the same slide. We're all on the same page, and I'm going to minimize my screen, and I'm going to get on with step 4. So now that our videos are uploaded and ranking, we need to make sure that we can keep them ranked, guys. Just remember, there's a fresh content factor that plays a role in ranking videos, ranking contents, and all sorts of things inside of Google. So sometimes what can happen is you can rank your videos and they'll be ranking for 5 days. After 5 days, they'll start to lose the rankings, guys. But just remember, what we do in step 1 is we actually identify these keywords using accounts that have no authority whatsoever. Okay, and now what we do, let me just minimize this here, guys. Okay, now what we do is we need to build we need to make sure that we keep our videos ranked, and we do this by building channel and video authority from within YouTube itself, guys. Okay, we do this by playing an active role within YouTube. It helps us look natural, it helps us build internal links, and it builds authority to our channels and our videos, which then get passed on to our videos and our channels as well, guys. It all acts as a big factor to actually ranking and keeping our videos ranked, especially if you saw rankings from accounts that had no authority, and then you're going to put your main videos on accounts that do have authority, guys. Like I said to you, when we're identifying keywords that are easy to rank, then we're using accounts that, you know what, that have no authority. We just use them for prospecting. Okay, so what we need to do now, guys, is we need to comment. We do this by commenting on authority videos. We do this by subscribing to channels. We do this by liking other videos. We do this by replying to people's comments. We actually go out there and get likes, comments, and subscribers for our own videos. Okay, and we interlink videos as well, guys. So one video to the next video and whatnot. All of this here builds internal links, builds channel authority, builds video authority, allows us, when we're performing comments and replying to comments, to leverage authority from other people's channels and from other people's videos and send them over to our own channels, guys. And for this step, guys, we have a software called the Tube Engager. This allows you to build channel and video authority. This is the fourth step of the process. And this allows you to keep your videos ranked because of building your authority on your channels and videos, guys. It allows you to increase engagement for your videos as well, and it allows you to better your rankings as well. You can comment on videos, like videos, subscribe to channels, increase views, build do follow links, guys, syndicate videos with other users in the system as well, syndicate your own videos within your own account. So as you can see in this screenshot, guys, we've got 17 accounts. We can actually use them 17 accounts to our own advantage to like, comment and subscribe on our own videos as well, guys. Okay, we can reply to comments, we can scrape videos, we can get comments to our own videos, get likes, and so much more as well, guys. So I'm going to take you around to the Tube Engager. The very first thing I'm going to do is exit out the YouTube Management Suite. We'll actually go over to the Video Keyword Prospector, guys. We're 225 videos uploaded, guys, and we're already ranking inside of Google for 81 of them and 206 inside of YouTube. And as you can see, guys, we've got the total number of competing sites down here. If I downloaded a full report for this as well, okay, when you actually see this here, guys, in gray, then what that means is the software wasn't able to find our videos based on the settings that we have in the back end. Now, if I actually show you the settings in the back end, guys, I've only got the software to check after 60 seconds and then check after 140 seconds. After that, I don't want to go ahead and check the rankings. But what we can still do is we can tell the software and we can pick these keywords and then we can recheck the videos that were not found, and we can go ahead and perform another check. We can actually click on these that weren't found and see ourselves as well. Sometimes these videos actually do rank, but because of how, okay, in this occasion it doesn't rank. Oh no, here we are. Here we got 1 hour uploaded by Jenna Carla. Oh, here we go. Look at these guys. We've actually got 3. How super is that? So I'll actually show you these now, guys. So we've got Plumbers Elgin, Plumbers Bangor, and Plumbers Selby. We've got Jenna Carla, we've got Jenna Carla, and we've got Jenna Carla, guys. And have a look at here. Jenna Carla is our account, guys. So all these areas Google has identified to be very close and similar, or very in the same area or region as a Breron, and it's ranking all of these videos. Okay, we're on page 4, but we're on page 4 with a channel. Let me just show you this channel, guys, that has 0 subscribers. After we use the Tube Engager, we're going to be able to push those up even further. Well, you know what? This is actually, you might not even want to go for videos that rank in page 4, and you might only want to focus on the videos that are found on page 2 or page 1 or whatnot. Okay, so anyway, this is how cool this software is. It's managed to allow us to identify all these. So anyway, I was going to show you the Tube Engager. So let me not lose focus and let me show you the Tube Engager. Oops, just going to start this up. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, so again, guys, with all of our accounts and all of our tools, guys, you can actually have the same manage accounts. You can have exactly the same accounts inside of every single software, and it all works really cool. So with this, what you can do, guys, is first of all, you can go out there and scrape URLs. So for example, on this one, I might have something like SEO. Okay, I can choose the threads. Let's just say I want 10 threads. I can choose how many pages to work with as well. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and say the keyword SEO. What the software is going to go and do now is going to go ahead and visit Google. Sorry, it's going to go ahead and visit YouTube. It's going to go ahead and find videos that rank for the keyword SEO. And depending on how many pages we pick or whatnot, you guys, it's going to go ahead and scrape them pages, and it's going to pull back the video titles. It's going to pull back the category that these videos were posted to. It's going to pull back the upload time, the amount of views, the amount of likes, dislikes, and comments. And towards the end, guys, we also get the page authority from Moz. Okay, so what we can do with this, guys, is find videos that have good page authority and then save all of those videos. So I can basically save all these to a file, guys, video URLs, for example. But you know what, I've actually got some video URLs in there. But yeah, I can save any ones that I want. I can deselect the ones I want. And you know what, you can build yourself massive lists, guys. You know, you can scrape pages and pages and then only filter out the ones that have good page authority. What you do then, guys, is you can go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment on the videos, or you can reply to comments. I personally like to reply to comments. So the reason why is, let me show you. When you come down here and you look at these videos, you can see comments. You've got 380 comments, you've got 213 comments, you've got 629 comments. When you go over to Google, when you go over to a YouTube video, you might only see that YouTube only shows, like, 15 comments before you need to hit refresh or whatnot. So you want your comment to be towards the top. So yeah, so let me show you how this works. So I'll actually add some URLs inside of it. So these are some video URLs that I scraped earlier on. I'm going to add a quick comment in here. I'm going to click on start, and I'm going to show you how the whole process works, guys. So this is commenting. What the software is doing is loading each URL. It loads each URL so that I can see the URL. Sorry, I can see the comments. I can also see the video. Okay, I can click on play. Okay, for some reason this one hasn't loaded the video. Okay, but anyway, the video is normally loaded here as well, guys. A bit weird. Let's skip this one here. Let's see if the next one loads. Okay, but what it does, it loads all of the actual comments for these videos down here, guys. We can go ahead and then choose. Here we go. Here's the video loaded, guys. I don't know why the other one didn't work, but anyway, we can go ahead, play the video, and then we can go ahead and reply and leave a comment for the video. A good comment, a comment that's going to be relevant to the video, guys. That's what this software allows you to do. Okay, and it allows you to reply to these comments as well. Where you see an arrow means that it already has replied. You can click on that arrow and you can actually have a look, and you can see other comments inside of here. Okay, and they actually come in order of them being ranked inside of the video as well. So you can come down here, and if you want to make sure your comment stays on the top, you'll come down here, you'll say, yeah, wow, you know what, I agree with you, mate. Or you know what, you read the comment and you reply to the user's comment. Or you might want to come down here and reply to a comment that you don't want to, that doesn't have any other replies. In fact, guys, what we do is we add comments to videos, and then we use other accounts that we have to go and reply to them comments as well, guys, and it makes everything look really legit. But at the same time, we're building internal links which do follow to our channel, guys. So anyway, I'm going to skip all this, guys. I'm sure, oops, I actually want to click on cancel. Let me just give it a second and I'll click on cancel. And if the channel actually has loads and loads of comments, guys, you can actually search for a certain comment as well. I'm going to click on cancel, and I'm going to say yes, I'm sure I want to cancel. I don't want to leave anything down here. And you can get all the comments, guys, and you can do all sorts. Anyway, we have a full video tutorial on this showing you exactly how to work with this. But this is replying to comments, which I personally prefer working with, guys. But then you can come along here and you can perform, you can load your URLs in here again, guys, and you can tell the software now you want to go ahead and comment on these URLs, you want to like these URLs, or you want to subscribe to the channels that uploaded these video URLs. And you can do this based on groups or channels or a single account. If it's a channel, guys, it will obviously, you're adding your video URLs, and it's going to use the same channel to go and comment on all these videos or to like these videos depending on your selection. If it's a group, then you're going to use all of these URLs, and one account is going to go and like it or comment on it or subscribe on it, and the next account is going to do the next one, and so forth, guys. So it allows you to work and manage multiple accounts, not just the one account. But if you want to manage just the one account, then you have the full control to manage just the one account as well, guys. And all of these come together to build that authority that we're looking to do. Let me take you over to the syndication area, guys. With the syndication area, you can add your YouTube videos, and it works with credits. I'm sure many of you guys have already seen this, guys. You add your videos inside of here. You earn credits by viewing, commenting, and liking other people's videos that I've added from our users that have been added to this system. So, for example, I can click on here, guys, and I can watch this video here. And I'll earn a credit for it, guys. So I'll be watching for 15 seconds or whatnot, and other people will do that as well. But what you do here as well, guys, is you have another area whereby you can syndicate your own videos. So by this, guys, you can have your own video inside of here, and then you can choose any group or any account that you have inside of here. And then you can go ahead and you can watch that video behind that proxy. You can like the video. You can add a comment to the video, subscribe to the channel, whatnot. As you can see, I can't like this video because this account that I've chosen here has already liked the video, guys. So you can't even see a tick here as well. When I skip through these, so for example, Peter Thompson. Okay, Peter Thompson, I can't view it and I can't comment on it because Peter Thompson has already commented on it and he's already viewed it. If I go over to the next one, Josh Walters, I've liked it with Josh Walters, but I can go ahead and comment and subscribe. So anyway, this is how you build and increase your engagement for your own videos using multiple accounts that you're using already, guys. So yeah, this is the Tube Engager, guys. David, was there anything that you wanted to add to the Tube Engager?
No, you're doing a great job. Personally, the Tube Engager is one of my favorite tools, to be honest with you. I love using the thing. I use it on my own videos all the time, but you just about covered everything there. That's brilliant.
Fantastic.
But if you can give me, actually, I need a quick bathroom break, so I'll be back in a second, Nebs, all right?
Yep, that's totally cool. That's totally cool. I'll be able to get on with the presentation then. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to have a quick sip of water, and then we can get going, guys. Okay. We've got Brian asking how many programmers worked on it. Well, you know what? If you set your foundations right in the first place and you plan everything out, then you know what? Even the one programmer could do something like this as well, guys. But anyway, you don't need to worry about how many programmers worked on it. But you know what? We've actually been building this suite since, you know what, since the beginning of this year. And it's super duper powerful, and our users get exactly the same type of results that we get as well, guys. So it isn't just down to us that we get this and we're a special case because, you know what, we're the developers or whatnot. You know, our users get results as well, guys. Okay, so we've already seen the tube engager, but I also want to show you something else as well, guys. Now, I just want to confirm that you can see my screen, guys. I'll come back into presentation. If you can give me a yes in the chat box that you can see my screen, it should say working with events and not uploads. Okay, so we've got some yeses coming in. Fantastic. So I'm going to minimize the chat area again, guys, and I'm going to be showing you another tool. So many users, like I've already mentioned, guys, feel that events have an advantage over regular uploads. So what we went and done is we went and built a tool that follows or that allows us to do everything that we can do with the video keyword prospector, but for live events. And it's called the live events prospector, guys. And I'm going to show you the live events prospector now as well. So let me just show you the video keyword prospector. This is the video keyword prospector, guys, that's uploading videos for our keywords based on our modifiers, and it's tracking the rankings inside of Google as well, guys. And as you can see, we're on 87 videos ranking inside of Google. Fantastic stuff. And now we done exactly the same thing for something called the live events ranker. It's actually the live events prospector. I don't know why it's called the live events ranker. We had so many names come up for these. But anyway, as you can see, it looks exactly the same. Okay, live events, guys, you add your keyword inside of here. You can add your descriptions, your prefixes, your suffixes. You can add your own cities. You can add your own states. Choose whatever you want, guys. You add your event details, guys. This is where it differs. Okay, from here, you add your start date of the event. Okay, and you add your end date of the event, and you can add times as well, and the software will go out there, and you can obviously choose the resolution as well, guys, and the software will go out there and it will randomly create different timestamps for different events on different dates or whatever you pick down here, but you might want them all created between a certain period of time on the same date, in which day you can have today's date between whatever time periods and 50 upload or 50 events, and it'll go out there and spread them all over with different timestamps. You can add thumbnails as well, guys, but just remember what I mentioned about thumbnails. It's very important that you have a activated and confirmed AdSense account linked to your YouTube channel if you want to work with thumbnails. Okay, create events, guys. This is exactly the same. You choose your channel. Okay, you tell the software how many events you want to create, and it's going to go out there and create the events. As soon as it's created the events, guys, they then come along to the rank tracker, and you're able to track your events before you've even streamed to them. What you can do then is download all events that rank. You can delete all of the events that didn't rank, and then you can go ahead and you can manage the events and stream, sorry, like I've shown you in this video here, in this screenshot here, guys. You can actually, oops, where are we? You can actually stream to all of the events that did rank. And if you wanted to stream to the events that did rank using this software, you can do, or you can go ahead and use the YouTube Management Suite. Let me close this. You can go ahead and use the YouTube Management Suite to go ahead and stream to those videos as well. It's entirely up to you guys. But this allows you to go out there and create multiple events, track the rankings for them events, delete the events that don't rank, and then go out there and stream to events that do rank, guys. So this is, I know a lot of people prefer to do this, and if this is what you prefer to do, guys, then you can do this as well. And you have the ability to do this with the live events ranker or the live events prospector, whatever you want to call it, guys. Okay, so does everyone fully understand the difference between the live events ranker and the video keyword prospector? If you can give me a yes in the chat box, guys, or if you can give me a no. If you're happy for me to carry on and you're fully happy with the explanation, give me a yes. Okay, so we've got some yeses coming in. Okay, we've got some yeses, but Joshua's saying he hasn't seen the VKP.
Did you see that comment there? Brian is asking, when will this software stream live to Facebook?
Okay, well, you know what, I don't really want to touch on Facebook at the moment. It is something that we did.
We don't.
Yeah, it is something that we did, you know, dabble in previously in the past. We managed to get things working as well, but it would really complicate stuff, guys, because if you have a look at manage accounts, then you'd have to have a section to manage Facebook accounts. Okay, so it would really make things very, very complicated. And what we decided to do is specialize with YouTube and Google only, guys. Yes, we have, software that already streams, and it's very easy for us to stream to other locations as well, guys. You know what, maybe in a future update, if all of our users wanted it, then maybe we can look to get it done. But at the moment, guys, what I can assure you is that we've focused on YouTube, we've kept our focus on YouTube and Google, and over the last 8 months, 10 months, 12 months, whatever, guys, we still have a fantastic piece of software that lives up to this very date, guys, doing exactly what it was designed to do. And if we add Facebook in there, guys, then you know what, I really don't know how we're going to get on with it. So you know what, at the moment, I'm going to say, you know what, we don't actually have Facebook in the line to actually, bring it into the software, but it is something that I'm not going to rule off. Okay, so what tool do you use for interlinking videos? For interlinking videos, we're actually going to have a new update coming out that's going to allow us to interlink our videos, guys. And as mentioned as well, you can use the YouTube Management Suite to edit your videos and add videos to your descriptions already pointing to, add URLs to your descriptions pointing to other videos as well. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to minimize this, guys. We've still got loads of questions coming in. If you can please save your questions till the very end. I promise you, you know what, we are going to spend some time with you to answer any questions that you have. But it's already been 1 hour and 20 minutes, and I promise myself that I'm going to be as quick as I can, so not to waste any of your time on a total different angle. So anyway, that's the live events prospector, guys. So I've actually got a screenshot here, guys, whereby you can see a screenshot for a keyword that has hardly any value whatsoever. Probably no one at all would want to target this keyword anyway. But I've actually taken this screenshot to show you that it's taken 1 minute, guys, for Google to get these videos and to rank them inside of Google as well. So these are YouTube videos that Google's taken and they've ranked inside of Google. And we call this the Google and YouTube love affair, guys. And obviously, you know what, we all know that Google own YouTube and YouTube are owned by Google. So Google is a search engine robot. They have to go out there, use their resources to crawl the internet, spider the internet, and then find new URLs, bring them into their index, and then bring them and make them available into their SERPs. Whereas because they own YouTube, YouTube gets it into their database automatically, so they're going to add it into Google's database. If they didn't do that, it wouldn't be very wise of Google, because they'd be spending and wasting their resources on URLs that they know already exist through their other service, which is YouTube. So this is why it's very cool using YouTube videos to get instant rankings, instant, way of actually filtering through those keywords, guys. So forget the keyword, look past the keyword, but look how quick the rankings were. In fact, I'm going to show you rankings under a minute as well, guys. So these are non-local keywords, guys. I'm going to actually go through these real fast, guys. You've got best Twitter plugins for WordPress, page 2 in 7 minutes, and you've got all sorts of keywords here, guys. This one's an injury lawyer keyword for Google Ads, right underneath the Google Ads, guys. And look at that, this is 58 seconds, guys. So that's that love affair that I'm talking about with Google and YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to quickly go over and show you what you can actually do with these videos, guys. Being able to rank in Google multiple times for multiple keywords using videos gives you a number of possibilities, and endless number of possibilities, guys. So I'm going to quickly go through this very, very briefly, but I'm sure many of you guys already know what you'd be able to do with videos ranking in Google. But here's just some examples of, just to give you an idea of what you can do. So you can make money with a YouTube monetization program within YouTube itself. You'd upload a video to YouTube, it will rank in Google and YouTube. Both of them are sending you traffic, and then YouTube itself is going to monetize your videos and earn you cash. And you basically rinse and repeat and earn even more money. Okay, or if you have websites, guys, and you want to know how you can fit this in to ranking your own websites, then this way is going to be perfect for you. You can build an army of videos that rank in Google pointing to your site. Okay, it's a simple and effective way to send targeted traffic and increase your rankings. So this is your website. These are posts on your website, guys. You'll go ahead and create multiple videos that target keywords around the post, and you'd upload them to YouTube, guys, and you do this for all your posts and your videos will rank inside of Google and YouTube. And you actually leave comments on your videos, guys, which I've already shown you how to do with the YouTube management suite. And these comments are do follow links. So then you're going to have do follow links from videos that are ranking inside of Google already that are pointing to your website, guys. It's a fantastic combination and it works wonders. I've actually shown examples and a case study of how I was able to increase rankings of my own site using only videos and video links, guys. And when I say video links, I'm on about the comment links from the comments, not the descriptions. Okay, so that's one thing that you can do with your own websites, guys. You can also use this for getting new clients, guys. You can rank videos in Google first. You can then approach potential clients. So for example, we've got all these videos that are ranking for plumbers in all these cities, guys, and we can show them results first and say, well, you know what, this is what I've managed to do. Do you want to buy them off me? Or you know what, you can use this method to approach clients and get new clients. You can boost client retention rate. So you might already have clients. You can give them a new ranking video every single month, just for free, guys, because the software makes it so easy, and it's going to put a smile on your client's face, and they're going to be very, very happy, and they're going to stay with you. They're going to think, well, you know what, the guy's giving me ranking videos in Google for my keywords. What else can I ask for? You can use it for reputation management. If you've got a lot of negativity around there for a certain business name, for certain, you know, your own name or whatever, you can flood the search engine with videos that rank for your actual names and, you know, really take down them negative reviews to page 3, 4, 5, 6, whatnot, to a position where they won't be found. And there's so much more as well, guys. And our current customers are getting results as well, guys. As you can see, these are a few screenshots down here as well. Here's some more screenshots. I'm not going to go through every single one, guys, because you know what, we have spent quite a lot of time on here. But you know what, the idea is that we keep giving, our customers are seeing the value, they're coming back to us and they're telling us that, you know what, we're getting the same results as you as well. So we know it works, guys. So anyway, just before I continue, okay, actually, I'll stop in a moment, guys. So let me just quickly, you know, crunch everything down for you in a very easy to understand manner, guys. So the 4-step process continued. So here's a quick recap of the 4 steps, or the 4-step process we use to rank videos inside of Google and YouTube. The very first step, guys, is we identify easy to rank for keywords, and for this we use the video keyword prospector. Okay, the second step is to create videos and thumbnails for those keywords that we've identified in step 1, and for this we use the video manager. In step 3, guys, we optimize video data, work with playlists and upload to YouTube, and for this we use the YouTube management suite. In step 4, we build authority to your videos and channels. We do this by getting likes, comments, subscribers, and play an active role on YouTube. And for this, we use the Tube Engager. Okay, the exact same process that I've outlined to you here, guys, can be used for absolutely any keyword, regardless of the keyword difficulty. But just keep this in mind, that an authority channel, internal linking between videos and external links, and embeds for your videos will allow you and help you rank for even those difficult keywords. And our software system and our suite allows you to do absolutely everything, and it automates the entire system for you. So, okay, are there any questions, guys? This is our whole presentation now. You know what, we're totally done. You know what, I've just outlined absolutely everything that I wanted to outline to you. I wanted to do it within 1.5 hours, guys. So we're totally done. So this is our whole system to the T, guys. So do you have any questions on the system at the moment, guys? Or do you want me to get on and show you the special offer and the exclusive end of year customer only offer that we've put together for you guys? Give me a yes if you want me to continue and go on with a special exclusive offer, guys. It's an offer for this whole system and package that I've just shown you guys, and it's an offer, I promise you, we've never made available before. Okay, so we've got some questions about, can we outsource this? We'll show you how to outsource it if you want to, as long as you've got your own outsourcers, guys. Obviously, we don't give you the VAs, but you know what? You can pass it over to your outsourcers as well. Are we working with duplicate videos? We'll show you all of this in a moment, guys. But I was hoping that I've already covered this. We use the video manager. If you've already got one real cool video, you use the video manager, add intros, outros to it, add intro, outro clips, or intro, outro images. You can uniqueify the videos and you can use them, guys. And it's the one single video that's designed to convert, but it's unique in the eyes of YouTube, and you can upload it, guys, and you're going to be totally cool. Okay, so we've got lots of yeses going on. So David, am I cool to go on with tonight's customer exclusive offer?
Fire away, Abs. Let them have it.
Okay, brilliant.
Let them have it. That's been fantastic, man.
Okay, excellent. Okay, so I'm going to whiz through this and then I'm going to let David show you something else that we've put together, something known as the Video Marketing Blitz Management, Command Center, guys, which allows you to manage absolutely everything that I've shown you. So if you think, Abs, you know what, your mind flies at 50 miles an hour or whatever, well, we've made it so that, you know what, no matter how fast your pace is, how quick or how slow you want to work, you can do. And we've organized everything really, really well. I'm going to pass it over to David in a minute so he can actually take you through that. So anyway, let me take you through the exclusive customer only offer. So the offer that we've put together, guys, is put together to cater for all levels of experience, from the very beginner to the more advanced, and absolutely nothing has been held back. This package consists of 3 core areas. You get the software tools that I've outlined and demonstrated to you today. You get full training and you get ongoing coaching, case studies. You get access to a Facebook mastermind group, and you even get access to a private members only forum, guys. So the software, guys, you get access to all of the softwares that I've demonstrated to you today, plus more. You get the video keyword prospector, which helps you find those easy to rank for keywords. You get the video manager. This allows you to create and make those videos unique, generate thumbnails that we actually went through, add them text-to-speech, audios and whatnot to. You get access to the YouTube management suite, which is what we use for step 3, to upload, optimize, stream videos, create playlists and whatnot to. You get Tube Engager, which is what we use for step 4, guys, and this allows you to build that channel and video authority, and it allows you to do this by playing an active role and getting comments, likes and subscribers. You also get access to the live events prospector, which is exactly the same as the video keyword prospector, but it actually allows you to find easy to rank for keywords using events, which is really cool. You also get access to, which I haven't even shown you yet, guys, is 2 keyword research tools. You even get access to 1 image manipulation tool, guys, and you even get access to, which I've just briefly mentioned to you, that I'm going to get David to show you around, is the Video Marketing Blitz Command Center tool that allows you to manage everything using the 1 tool. Okay, so let me just break down the training for you. So you're going to get full training tutorials by me showing you how to use all the software, but you're also going to get training from a marketing expert, and that's David, guys. Now David is an expert that's already made money with our Video Marketing Blitz package. He knows exactly how to use the software, and it's somebody who's an expert in their field, guys. And when I say he's an expert in their field, he works with clients, he works with videos, he works with CPA, he works with affiliate offers, he ranks websites, he ranks videos, you name it. You know what, he has experience with almost everything, guys. And the training that David's going to be providing you consists of core training on video marketing and ranking videos. It allows you to rank videos like a true marketing expert, guys, video marketing expert, even if they're very competitive keywords. Okay, you get core training on offering services, closing clients and making money. It's the real deal. You even get letters that you can, and you know what, pitches that you can actually go by, and you get case studies that David's put together and whatnot. You get core training on using the video keyword prospector to hunt down keywords for promoting affiliate offers, Amazon, ClickBank, video, launch jacking. So I've actually just shown you keywords for like local clients, for like plumbers in Peterborough and plumbers in Manchester. But we actually show you how to go ahead and identify keywords that are easy to rank for affiliate offers that you're promoting, for Amazon offers that you're promoting, for ClickBank offers that you're promoting, and for everything else as well, guys. And there's so much more. We even get you accepted, guys, to CPA networks so that you can get started with CPA marketing. Okay, and you also get ongoing coaching, case studies, and access to a Facebook mastermind group. Now, this is strictly for buyers only, guys. You get to hang out with like-minded users and individuals who'd be leveraging all of our software suite to rank and bank even more. And it gives everyone the chance to learn from each other. It's a group moderated by myself and our superstar coach, David. And we'll be sharing golden nuggets in that group, guys, that you won't find elsewhere, guys. And you also get access to a private forum. It's a private forum for members only. You gain access to case studies. Case studies are from our actual core group of beta testers, which are uploaded on a monthly basis. And you get ongoing coaching as well, where you're going to be able to attend monthly coaching, calls. Sometimes we don't do a monthly, sometimes they're every 2 weeks, sometimes we might miss out months here and there as well, guys, depending on what all of the schedule and everything's like. But you always get access to us with our Facebook mastermind group, guys. You know what, you actually get personal access to me, and you'll actually see me on there, you know, frequently and almost daily, and David as well. So yeah, you get access to absolutely everything. You get training on absolutely everything. You get coaching on absolutely everything as well. So I want to pass you over to David. I want to let him introduce himself a little bit better so that you get a better understanding of who you're going to be working with as well. Obviously, you guys already heard loads of me and you're probably sick of me now. Let me just tell you exactly why we got David on board and how we managed to find David. So early in the year, so maybe March, February time in 2016, we were looking for beta testers to actually test our video keyword prospector. Then it was only the one tool, guys, and we needed it tested by experts because we knew how powerful it was, but we wanted to make sure that it had the features that experts would need to use in their daily lifetime to provide services for clients, to rank videos or whatnot, you guys. Okay, so our coach that I'm about to introduce you to now, who I've already introduced you to, is David. He actually brought loads to the table, and he was part of the video keyword prospector beta testing group. And when I started to work with him, when I saw the input and when I saw the kind of, you know, knowledge and the way he was approaching everything, I instantly knew that I had to cut a deal with him to complete our whole package. Without him, our package was going to be leaving you guys with 4, 5, 6 pieces of software and nothing to really bring everything together. So David's the missing link, and he's the guy that brings everything together, guys. He was already a video marketing expert. He already provided services to clients. He's very big in CPA and affiliate marketing. I personally learned absolutely loads from him myself, and that's why we formed this video marketing blitz package. And we formed this by our software tools, David's coaching, and the Facebook mastermind group to come up with the video marketing blitz package. And it's become so much more as well, guys. So anyway, David, I'm going to pass it over to you, so you can go ahead and take everyone, just give everyone a quick introduction about yourself, show them around the Video Marketing Blitz Management Suite if you can, the Command Center, and then you can pass it back over to me, and I promise to be real quick to close everything up. So I'm going to give you control.
Means.
Right, so David,
by all means. Brilliant. Thank you very much, Abbas.
I'm going to make you presenter now, David. Is that cool?
Yeah, that's fine by me, Abs. That's great.
Okay.
Okay, let's show my screen. I'm hoping everybody can see my screen right now. So I'm actually in the Facebook group to begin with, and if everybody's still here and still awake and everything else, everybody can see the Facebook group right in front of you. Yes, we're getting some yeses. Come on, everybody, wake up. Let's get these yeses in. Yeah, we're getting them. Thank you very much. Excellent. Okay, so here we go. We're inside the Facebook group to begin with because, to be honest with you, even though Abbas, now let me tell you a little story about Abbas. You might not like this, but I'm going to tell you a little story. When we actually come together, Abbas was saying to me, look, I'm so busy, and he is. To be honest with you, this guy develops software like you wouldn't believe. Okay, and he keeps coming up with ideas and he gets things done. And to be honest with you, when we first started Video Marketing Blitz, all we had was the video keyword prospector. We had no other software, but everything else has been added and added and added, and we continuously add value for everybody who's in the Video Marketing Blitz. Okay, now within the Facebook group, okay, we don't just stick to video marketing. Okay, so if you have questions about you know, standard, you know, any kind of CPA marketing or affiliate marketing, anything to do with marketing, we can handle pretty much from inside the Video Marketing Blitz, okay? And we do get questions quite often, and we show different things on how we, you know, get our little embeds and power everything up. We do so much stuff, and you can see it's active. Okay, it's very active. There's lots of posts here, and it just goes on and on. But let me tell you the little quick story that Abbas said to me early on. He said, look, I'm going to probably stick around about a month, maybe 6 weeks, and then I'll be gone. Okay, but to be honest with you, I think Video Marketing Blitz has become almost his baby. Okay, and he can't leave it alone. He can't leave his customers alone. He loves sharing information all the time. He loves adding more value People ask for additions all the time, and he tries to accommodate absolutely everything. So big up for Abs, okay? I think he's a brilliant guy. We get together quite often, and it's an absolutely amazing, amazing system, okay? And it works, all right? So I'm going to show you now, okay, so we've got the video marketing blitz. We've also got a Facebook group. I don't have that open right now because the Facebook group is so active, okay? We get a lot of questions every day. We get a lot of interaction in there, so most of our time we spend on Facebook because most other people do too. Okay, so we kind of stick with that. We do have a forum where the important stuff, extra trainings, update notifications, and lots of case studies and stuff, it's put into the forum as a permanent place that you can go and grab it anytime you like. Now, as I've said, I'm going to show you, okay, we have a lovely command center. It's so easy, it's unbelievable, okay, and this is it, okay. It's the Video Marketing Blitz. This is what I call the command center, and I think it's fantastic. And every single thing that Abs has talked about tonight is all within the command center. And you can choose any of these at any time, okay, and just open them up and away you go. But like I said, we had a chat maybe a couple of days ago, and I went, well, this is how I put things together, and we've changed the entire webinar to suit you, so we can go to step by step by step. This is how to succeed, okay? And if you really want some additional information as regards success, okay, and Abbas also mentioned that we can get you into the CPA network, and I can, okay, seriously. This network actually loves me to bits, and I'm going to show you inside of it right now. Okay, I don't have to do this, but I'm going to do it. Where's my, there it is. Okay, so we use the Black Fox network. So if you've never been in CPA before, we use the Black Fox network. My record at the moment, I think, stands at about 23 seconds for acceptance into Black Fox. Absolutely everybody we send to Black Fox gets accepted. They love me to bits. I'm going to show you my dashboard. There we go. This is just one CPA network. That's my earnings this year out of this one. And to be honest with you, I missed nearly 4 months of the year because I was pretty sick with the shingles and God knows what else, and I missed nearly 4 months. So one CPA network. I'm actually joined up to, I think we're up to about 24 networks now, so you can do the math yourself, okay? And this value here, okay, would not be, or even closely have been possible without Video Marketing Blitz, okay? We use the videos constantly, we direct them back to our websites, and then we do some magic sauce. I'm not going to go over that right now because it will drag on and on and on, okay? But this is the kind of results you can expect, all right? This is just the last 7 days, all right? We've done nearly $400 in the last 7 days with this one, and I think this one is actually only running currently 2 campaigns. All right, so we've run 2 little campaigns for $400, all right, in the Black Fox. But they love me so much. I don't know why they love me, but they love me. And if you need to get into a CPA network and you keep getting thrown out, come and ask us, and I will get you into the Black Fox network, no problem whatsoever. So Abs, are you still there, guy? Because I'm not sure if you want me to cover anything else, or would you just? I'm sure people are itching to get this special offer we got.
Yeah.
So if you are around.
Yeah. Can you hear me, David?
Yes. No problem at all.
Okay. Fantastic. Okay. What I'll do then, David, I'll take over the screen again. So just give me 2 moments.
Yeah. Well, I'll change it back to you if you like. 1 second. There we go. There we go. You should be able to get back onto your. There we go. Go for it, man.
Yeah, brilliant stuff.
And I'll see everybody on the inside. See you later, guys.
Okay, brilliant stuff. And David, I totally appreciate you logging into one of your CPA accounts. I know sometimes, you know what, we can bring people on call or we can introduce you to people. I'm talking to all of our users here. But yeah, you know, sometimes you can be introduced to people that, you know what, they you get told that they're, you know, the business, but they don't have nothing to back it up. And David has shown his CPA accounts in the past, and I know he stopped showing his CPA accounts, but you know what, this time, end of year special, you know what guys, you can see David is the real deal. He makes money from CPA, he makes money by using Video Marketing Blitz, he gets you accepted to these CPA networks, and you know what guys, you're totally in safe hands when it comes to working and being trained by David. So anyway, let me break everything down for you guys with this exclusive offer. Can you first give me a yes in the chat box to let me know that you can see my screen and you can see that it says the VMB exclusive offer broken down? Just give me a quick yes in the chat box real quick. Fantastic. Sorry if I'm rushing you guys. I'm not trying to rush you, I'm just trying to rush myself. Just to be a little bit quicker, because we've already had a comment saying our webinar is way too long. So anyway, so you get access to the video keyword prospector. This is the same software that I showed you use. It allows us to identify those easy to rank for keywords. It's valued at $97 a month. You get access to the YouTube management suite. This is the software that we use, in step 3 to upload our videos, to upload our thumbnails, to create our playlists as well. This is valued at $97 a month as well, guys. You also get access to the YouTube live event software. This is the software that works exactly the same as the video keyword prospector, but for events. You can go out there and rank events and then delete the events that don't rank and only stream to events that do rank. So it depends whatever way you want to work with this. You also get access to the Tube Engager. This is what we use in step 4. I should have put these in the proper steps, guys. I'm totally sorry. But yeah, the Tube Engager is what we use in step 4. And this allows you to boost and increase your channel and video authority. It allows you to perform comments, likes, and get channel subscribers, and really, you know, play an active role on YouTube, make things look natural, and build that authority to your YouTube channels and videos, which is exactly what your videos are going to need to keep them rankings. Okay, you also get access to the video manager tool. This is what we use in step 2, and this is what we use to create videos, create thumbnails as well. You can use it to manipulate videos, merge videos, and all sorts as well. And you even get access to 2 keyword research softwares as well, guys. Now, this is a value of $197 one-off, and with these tools, guys, you can generate thousands of keywords, thousands of thumbnails, thousands of videos, manipulate almost absolutely anything you want, and so much more. You also get the monthly coaching, case studies, Facebook mastermind group, access to David and myself, and the forum. You get to hang out with like-minded users. You get to learn from everybody else, guys. There's a whole crowd learning area, that's a value of $97 a month as well, guys. And you get the core training modules, which I've mentioned. It's a value of $97 one-off, where you get to learn how to rank videos like a true marketing expert, how to sell services to clients and make even more money as an affiliate or as a CPA marketer or whatnot. The total value of this, guys, is £485 per month, or $294 one-off. But we've also got there's still so much more to come because we haven't completed this. I'm going to make notes of these, guys. I don't know when they're going to come, but I promise you we always have something that we're working on with the Video Marketing Blitz package. In fact, if there's any Video Marketing Blitz users still on this call towards the end, I can actually give them a quick demo of some new features that I've actually got on my computer that I can show you. But yeah, we've got video private blog networks coming, guys. I've already speaking to David about this. I've actually been speaking to David about this today. I've been speaking to him about it yesterday, and I think I've been speaking to him about it all week because I found some, you know, I'm really looking for some fantastically powerful methods which is going to come together. And
now, shh, don't you tell them.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm not going to reveal anything at the moment because it's something that we're going to be testing first. Once we know it's working, that's the only time we're going to be releasing it to you guys. At the end of the day, your videos mean the most to us. We don't want to affect your videos in a negative way. We only want positive effects for you. So we'll test everything on our own videos first. Okay, you get local directory listings that we're going to be working on, guys, which are going to help you rank even better for local listings. We're looking at YouTube analytics software, which is almost done. We have scripts here and there, but we still need to polish everything up, guys. And there's so much more to come as well. It's basically a fully fledged video marketing package that's only going to get even bigger with time, guys. And if you've seen our previous webinars, then I'm sure you can attest to this being even bigger than the last webinar that you saw as well. And it's been the same sort of course every webinar we do. We've got an exclusive bonus, guys. We offer this on all of our webinars. It's going to allow you access to SocialVid's Expert and SocialVid's Black Label Enterprise, even though you might not ever use this when you have the Video Marketing Blitz package. But the total value of this is $164, and you can actually see these being sold on socialvids.com right now as well. Okay, so here's everything you're going to get, guys. You get the video keyword prospector, you get the YouTube management suite software, you get the YouTube live event software, Tube Engager, you get the video manager and 2 keyword research tool, you get the coaching case studies, Facebook mastermind, access to forums and access to the core training modules. You get SocialVid's Expert and Black Label Enterprise as a bonus. That's a total value here, guys. When you add everything up, I'm going to let you do the maths here. But yeah, you know what? That's a total value of $485 a month and $458 as a one-off fee, guys. But you can get it today as an end-of-year exclusive special offer, guys, something that I don't think we're going to make available again. I don't want to say it because it might happen, but you know what, it's something that we've never made available so far, guys. But you can get it today, guys, okay, for $1 trial for 14 days. Okay, so you can actually pay just $1, get access to absolutely everything, have a look around the software, get accounts set up, play around with it, get to know the tutorials. In fact, you don't pay nothing other than the $1 until 2017. After the 14 days, guys, you're going to be paying the $57 a month or the $497 annually. This is what all of our users are currently paying, guys. And if you pay annually, then of course you're going to be able to save almost 4 months free. And if you want to get access to this, guys, like I mentioned, we've never ever offered a trial period before. We didn't want to offer you a 7-day trial because you know what, we're going to have so many serious users come on board that they might not be able to get everything done in 7 days. At the end of the day, we totally understand. Christmas is around the corner, the New Year's around the corner. You might not have the time to focus on this software within these next few days. So we're actually giving you a 14-day $1 trial, guys. And to get this, you can go over to videomarketingblitz.com. Oops, let me just get out of this presentation. You can go over to videomarketingblitz.com. I'll actually enter this in the chat area here as well, guys. I think I have to enter it in here. And I'm going to send it to the entire audience. And I'm hoping you guys got that link. If you can give me a yes, guys, if you can see that link, or a no if you can't see the link. Hello, can you give me a yes? Okay, you can, David Allen. Okay, David can see the link. It might be in a different chat box, so I've had to do it in a chat box. Okay, a lot of people are saying no. I'm going to add that in here again. I'm going to click on send. Okay, there you go. I've sent it now, so I think they actually got sent together. They didn't get sent the first time. If you have a look now, guys, in the chat area, then you should be able to see the link. It's videomarketingblitz.com/special2.html. Fantastic. What I'm going to do, guys, is quickly take you over to the actual site and show you what you're going to be looking at as well. So what you're looking at here, guys, is basically a recap of what I've gone over with you in today's webinar. So really, you don't need to go over this. If you do go over this, guys, you're not going to find anything different, nothing new, nothing underneath the lines or anything like that. I promise you, you know what, I'm sure you guys can trust me by now. Many of you guys have bought from me for many years. But the main area is here, guys. Here's what you're going to get. You're going to get access to the video keywords ranker software. You're going to get access to the YouTube management suite software. You're going to get access to the Tube Engager software. You're going to get access to the video thumbnail tool, basically the video manager software, guys. You're going to get access to the private marketing blitz forum and the Facebook group, and you're going to get access to coaching and whatnot too. And now you're going to come down here, guys, and you've got an option to pay monthly or you've got an option to pay annually. What you'll see is you get a $1 trial, as it says on this button here as well, for 14 days. After that, that's when the monthly fee or the annual fee kicks in, guys. So you get to actually try everything, keep it on your side, whatever you want to do. If you're busy in the next few days, guys, you get to trial everything for 14 days first. Okay, we've never offered this before, guys. I highly encourage you all to take us up on our offer. You'll get to see the value that David can add to your lives and to your, to your bottom line when working with Video Marketing Blitz. And you'll also get to test out what we believe and what many of our users, in fact, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to quickly show you a testimonial, guys. Okay, instead of me saying it, let me show you a testimonial. Check this testimonial out here, guys. This was left on December the 19th. Today is December the 21st, guys. So this was only 2 days ago. Okay, this is from Randy. This says, this is a review for Video Marketing Blitz. So far, this is the best software that I have used, period. And I have used Hangout Millionaire and Mass Video Blaster and easy backlinks. First off, the support from these guys is absolutely amazing. There is really no wait time to hear back from Abbas Ravji or David Whitegold. I absolutely love the video keyword prospector with the ranking reports. That alone is something no other software offers. Another huge piece to all of this is the editor. Saves so much time for adding thumbnails, optimization, and call to actions for titles and etc. After getting accounts back and setting everything up, I am beyond impressed. This is an all-in-one tool that any video marketer needs to dominate a niche. Not only that, but to sell to retail clients with ease. 5+ stars review. You guys have really outdone yourselves, guys. So you know what? This is what our guys are saying, guys, and this is from like 2 days ago. This isn't something that I've pulled up from like, you know, months ago. This is something that lives. And have a look here, guys. Here's another one of our users. I agree with Randy. VMB has worked flawlessly for me from day one. And you know what, David is totally right as well. This has become like my baby. In the beginning days when I was working with David, I said, you know what, David, I'm going to be managing the software. We'll keep the software updated, and you know what, you can get everyone taught on everything. But you know what, I've stuck around, I've kept everything updated, we've added new techniques in it, and we actually use this part of our own techniques as well. And I love working with this as well, and I love it when I hear about, you know, new updates and improvements to YouTube, because it only challenges us to keep up to date with things as well. And 8 months down the line, 10 months down the line, our users are still seeing this.
Abbas?
Yes, David.
I just want to add one little thing to that with that Randy James.
Oh, yeah?
Randy has been with us only since the 15th of December.
Oh, there you go.
Right? So in 6 days, he's already seen how much value this system has. Okay, 6 days. And he is rocking it. Believe you me, I've had some good chats with Randy already. He's asked loads of questions, and he is rocking it. And so can everybody else. All you need to do is take action. Thanks, Abs.
Exactly. Thank you. Thank you very much, David. Okay, so one last thing, guys. I do have a special gift for you guys as well, which I did promise you. I'm going to be making notes of that in a moment. But the very first thing I want to do is cover some very common questions that we have, what we like to call frequently asked questions. So are there any more expenses after you get hold of the Video Marketing Blitz package? So yes. If you're going to be working with multiple YouTube accounts, which we recommend you do because of the power that you're going to have and the power that you're going to be able to, you know, you're going to be able to use for your own videos, then you will need to work with proxies. We work with proxies. Our users work with proxies. We haven't had issues. Our users haven't had issues. If you don't work with proxies, guys, you're probably going to run into issues. We highly recommend that you use proxies. These need to be private proxies. We actually give you a URL from where you can actually go out there and source these proxies. And I believe the proxies work out about $1.20, $1.50 or something like that per proxy. But the cool thing about it, guys, is that you can manage any YouTube account. And in that YouTube account, you might have 3 channels. So that one proxy is managing 3 channels, which is really cool. Okay, you're also going to need YouTube accounts. Now, if you can create the YouTube account yourself, by all means, you can go ahead and do it. I don't think there's going to be any better way to add a YouTube account than what you can create yourself. If you can't, guys, then we do actually have a private vendor, and he charges about $11 for 10 double verified accounts using your own proxies. So you can actually get your private proxies, give them to him. He'll create the accounts with your own proxies, and then he pass them back over to you. We actually show you how to manage all your accounts using Firefox profiles as well, which is really, really cool. And then finally, the last piece of the actual expense is going to be capture solving. You're going to need capture solving to solve the captures for Google when we're checking your rank trackings inside of Google. So they're the only real expenses, guys. You will need to have a Windows application. If you don't have a Windows application, we actually show you how to install it and work with it on a VPS. If you don't have a VPS and you don't have a Windows, then you can use it on a Mac, but you will need something like Parallels so that you can simulate Windows. And obviously you will need .NET and everything installed on there as well. And yeah, David, was there anything that you wanted to make note of?
Well, very quickly, there's a load of people, obviously, that have been on this call who are trying to get into the Video Marketing Blitz Facebook group, and I can tell you, listen, you don't buy, I'm sorry, but you don't get in, okay? We share such sensitive information in there. We can't just let you in to, you know, see all this stuff. There is a price to pay. It's an extremely low price to pay, but it's well worth it. But at the moment, all I'm doing is I'm declining everybody who's trying to get in, apart from those who have taken up the $1 offer.
Okay, excellent. Guys. You know, what more can you ask for? We're giving you like over 8 pieces of software that's going to allow you to automate your entire process, the entire process that I've outlined to you. In fact, when you come into the members area, you'll see training on how to take videos that you can't rank for and rank them videos. We show you training for how to get clients. We take you through training on how to make money from everything. And of course, with the training, you're getting all of these tools, guys. Just the tools alone would be more than worth it. But you know what? You haven't even seen the other part of it. And obviously getting access to me and David is really going to excel the speed of acceleration in which you're going to be able to get on with working with this tool and, you know, putting it into action to make some money out of it. So anyway, let me just show you this quick bonus, guys. First of all, videomarketingblitz.com/special2.html. We are going to have it open for around 7 days, guys. So if you don't have $1 in your PayPal, no worries, you got 7 days to make the $1 up. We don't want any money from you until 14 days. And that 14 days is going to give you a real good feel of what I've shown you already, but within them 14 days with your own computer. Okay, so we're coming up to a two-hour mark now, guys. I'm going to get onto questions in a moment. I just want to show you the quick bonus that we've got for attendees. If you haven't already got it, guys, it's called the Tube Authority Tagger. It allows you to go out there and get tags for whatever keyword that you put in, guys, so that you can use for your own videos. And you know what, it really does help you leverage and, well, lets your videos get shown as a related video to other videos that have common tags. And this is what it allows you to do. And you can get this by downloading it from here, guys. It's free for everyone on this call. I've sent it over in the chat box, so if you don't already have something like this, you can feel free to go ahead and download it. Okay, so this is the end of the webinar, guys. It's all done. It's over, totally over, guys. Eddie, thank you very much for staying with us. Mike, C. Martin, George, Morgan, everyone, thank you all very much for staying with us. Now, if anyone has any questions, if anyone wants me to show any other area of the software or anything like that, guys, then you can ask away now, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. So I'm going to actually stop this recording, guys. David, have we covered everything just before I stop the recording?
Yeah, we've covered everything. People are asking for the link to the command center, and to be honest with you, I've lost the damn link. Okay. So if we could get the link and put it up in the Facebook group maybe so that everybody can get it.
Sure. Well, what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually log into the back end. I'm going to